we spend a lot of time talking offense and quarterbacks.
Can he finish at the 30, the 20, 10, 5, touchdown, Mariota! 87-yard run.
Mariota for the end zone. Touchdown to obviously now 2nd and 6. Williams makes a cut and will roll into the end zone for the touchdown. No flags. And the throw, and was that a catch by Tate? Now that is a big time catch by Owen.
You talk to Zach Taylor, he's really high on Tate.
The prophecies predicted everything, but not this minion genocide!
Man, my career as big as Lexus forehead. Making these songs and I got an assortment. The beat about to drop like the beautiful morning. Some want me to stop it, I just love the torment. Yeah, got a PS4 to kill some zombies. I'm killing time, hope they never find me. Got people that hate me, I got no worries. I'll cancel them out with all my fury. If you mess with me, then you can rest in peace. Why else would you, boy? You're just sad, no enemies. Yeah, man, I love these minions, can't just rest in peace. Lex and I've been killing. Yeah.
Rest in peace! They take my family, they take my life, but you can't take my soul.
When I make $1 million, I'll kill all the minions. I know they're cute, but they don't have no feelings. Every single day they on me and Tommy. My family is dead and I know now they want me. I won't let them take over the earth. Resistance is key, but I'm all in with dirt. Lex, we gotta kill them, blow, we gotta spill them. Lead the revolution, end all the villainy. If you mess with me, then you can rest in peace. Why else would you, boy? You're just sad, no enemies. Yeah, man, I love these minions, can't just rest in peace. Lex and I've been killing. Yeah.
Spin that!